Welcome to Seasparkles Corner, and I'm going to be doing a request for a birthday snack drink thing for one of the kids of our channel. Remember, I think it was the OK Piece. So I made this for me and Doris. You can use basically any combination of candy, ice cream, and soda that you like. Also, first on camera appearance, as far as I know, of our Ninja blender that I bought. Alright, so let's get to it. Of course, you can edit the portions as you see fit. Blender will take care of that. Go ahead and get it down in there. What is it, stopping or something?
Yeah, go ahead.
So, now, as a lot of you know, that pretty much our strawberry by default has ice in it. This is just basically making it a little colder. And as usual, it runs in there going to the barkity, 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 barkity. That's some ice cream. Of course, doing his thing being, hey, I'm Ren. Somebody's going to buy this place. This is my place. This ain't your place. This is my place. Somebody let that there candy. And we got a little cold from the ice. Now it's slippery. There we go. There, a couple of handfuls of candy. Now, your choice soda. Push that. And then, let's put some more in there. Okay.
Put it all in there.
Okay. And then put the lid on.
And a lot of noise.
And now, depending on how much you're making, you might have a problem with a little bit of it being above your mixing blades. Luckily for you, you can just take your little sponge, do that, and then just go slow start, medium it up, and then high. What, a sample screen or something? And then you take your concoction out. This is... Alright, let's get my concoction here. potential blender, be very careful with this part. Because this can, this'll cut you. Alright? So I gotta make sure we're working about everything I put in this blender so far. Brand's like, I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Oh yeah. Hmm?
See, it keeps cutting off.
Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Yeah. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. Mm-hmm. Give it to my, go make my wife eat some now. Yeah. As always, thank you for watching. Go ahead and take your, yeah, I'm gonna do something different. You know the drill. You know the like, check on all that stuff. Well, I'm gonna ask you a simple question. What's your favorite ice cream, soda, or candy down below? Okay? Put that down below in the comments, okay?
Happy birthday.
And happy birthday, okay, peace, and happy birthday to anybody else. And whatever birthday this has happened to be, happy birthday to you. Now, have a good one, and peace out. I want to eat my dessert.